Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, guys. 2026. Looking forward for this year for more video, more content for you. And excuse all the noise on the street. I am on the street, if you could see. So today is my first video for 2026. And today's topic is broker price opinion valuations being used for California probate cases and California divorce cases. I do have experience in this because I've been asked to provide, over the course of my years doing broker price opinion valuations, to provide valuations for properties that are under a court case, either a divorce or a probate here in the state of California. And actually, they are court approved. Court approved. So not always the appraisals are being used. They have an option. The judge gives an option to the parties if you want to do an appraisal or you want to do a broker price opinion. Remember, there's two different prices for each one. The appraisals are more expensive, and of course, the BPOs are usually more than less than $200, give or take, of this. And the reason why and how is this actually helping? Because, like I said, lenders are using BPOs for valuation for certain properties, and if they request one, if they want it quicker, they'd rather have one of us to actually do it instead of asking for an appraisal. Now, of course, appraisals are still being used for cases. It all depends on the actual court and the judge. And of course, every party needs a valuation, especially for a probate. They want to put the property on the market, so they need a value check on the property. They want to make sure to see how much the property is worth on the market value. And of course, divorce cases. Unfortunately, the parties are divorcing, so they want to find out how much their property is worth, so they could actually divide the net that they make after the close of the sale and sell the property. So BPOs are being used for these type of cases, and not all real estate agents, real estate brokers are doing BPOs. A lot of realtors, a lot of colleagues of mine don't like doing them. To them, it's more of a waste of time. I don't know why. To me, I love doing BPOs because it's part of my real estate business. And so not a lot of agents are doing BPOs. So technically, I'm the lucky one that I get called on for these type of evaluations, either from my valuation company or from an actual attorney. I have here a declaration that I got to submit to one of my attorneys for a valuation I did last year. And the judge actually gives them an option. Either they want me to show up in court and testify for the parties, for the attorney, or do a declaration of what did I do, how did I determine value, and so forth. And I'm gonna give you an example here. This is a declaration. They ask for my name. They ask for the years that I've been in the business, since 2002, the address, the name of the company that I'm part of, the address. How many years have I been doing BPOs for the past since I started the business? And of course, the address of the property, which valuation company requested my services, how did they got a hold of me, and so forth. And also, how did I determine my value? How did I come up with my opinion of value? What data did I use? What sources, and so forth? And I have to submit this, sign it, and fax it to the actual email or fax it to the attorney. Last year, I had to go to court for one attorney because that judge wanted me to show in person and testify for the parties. So if you're a California attorney, you need my services for evaluation, a BPO, for either a probate or a divorce case, call me at 562-843-4474, 562-843-4474. The number will be here on the video, or you could send me an email. My email's on the channel, and send me, and we'll talk about the property and what we could do. Also, if you're an own homeowner and just wants a valuation on your property, just want to know how much your property is worth. You don't want to sell it. You just want to know the valuation. Same thing. Give me a call, 562-843-4474. Put your information on the comments, either your number or any information, or you can send me an email on the emails on my channel, and we'll go ahead and talk about your property. Thank you so much for another video. Stay tuned for the rest of another video, and subscribe and follow. I am Broker Danny. This is the Valuation Report with Daniel Sandoval.